Good morning, internets. I'm back at it again today. I got my first board down. I had to put some shims down there. It does kind of dip a little in the middle there. The bottom floor does. And as well as underneath that cabinet, I can see that it dips down and back up. I think there's a soft, I think from the weight of the cabinet on that Luan, not properly supporting it, it's just slowly over the years gone down. But I'm bubbling off to the 2x4, so I had a nice level bubble there, nice level bubble there, and I can see, you know, if I put a level on the Luan behind this cabinet, it kind of slopes down a little. But I'm gonna level off this floor, and then once I get in the other room, we'll level that off to this one. So that's the plan. I'm gonna keep getting after it, get the rest of these boards in. I did pick up some foam, as well as some plywood. So with the foam and the plywood, this place is gonna be very well insulated. And I'll bring it back in a bit once I get some more boards down. All right, time for another update. I've been working a couple hours. You can see I got 3 boards in and 2 pieces of foam secured. By secured, I would just mean between the boards. This board here, I still need to go cut. I got my measurements for, I think, the rest of the board, so I'm gonna go cut those. I did do a quick check here, and I am level across here to that, so that's good. You can see I'm just squeaking under this this heater here. I have just enough room. Get my my plywood under there and my flooring. So I don't think I'll have to move that. It's gonna be really tight, but I think it'll work. And yeah, everything's going good. Definitely already feels a little bit warmer in here. Maybe it is I'm working, but I'm not sure. I think it feels a little warmer in here. And I'm gonna spray foam in there, and up in there I have some spray foam. This is a window and door. The reason I got this, it's low expanding. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's the lowest expanding one. And the reason I got that is that way I go in behind the drywall, down there, and over here, and not have a push drywall out like we saw over there with the other spray foam they used. But yeah, just pushing this foam up against there and leave it there, stopping the air coming out of there. It already feels a little better. And I know once I get this sealed up with the foam and everything, it's gonna just be really nice in here and comfortable. So that's where I'm at. I'm gonna get my other boards cut, to get this sealed up and to get the rest of this laid in, and then I'll bring you back in once I get those down. All right. Okay, time for another update. I've been working hard, as you can see. I got nearly all the way across the floor. Everything is level, all of the boards, with the foam in between. I ended up going 16 inches. I split the foam into 3 even pieces. So foam is 16 inches. It's gonna mean my plywood's gonna need to be cut a little short. I won't be able to use the full 8 foot because I'm just 8 foot right on the dot here. So I'm just missing my board, but I'm gonna need to cut another piece anyway, so it's not a big deal. You see, I have pieces cut for my ends here, as well as some pieces cut for my holes here. I've spray foamed. You can already see it expanding up in there, so that's nice. No air is really coming out, which is really nice. And over here, I've spray foamed underneath the doors, or underneath the heater, and in the corner along the bottom of the door as well. So all that spray foamed. I'm gonna get these pieces in. As you can see, they just pop in nice and tight there. So that'll be a good fit. Yep. So that's good. I'm gonna get after getting the rest of this done, get my plywood down. I'll probably bring you in when I get the first piece of plywood down, or when I finish up this. So see you soon. All right, as you can see, I have everything in. All the insulation's in, all of the wood is in, everything's leveled off. Now it's time for me to get the plywood in here. So I'm gonna go work on that. I do have to step away for a few hours, but as soon as I get back, that's the first thing I'm gonna do is get the plywood in here. And yeah, it should go pretty fast. Basically it's 4 pieces and then some offcuts. So yeah, I'm gonna get on that and I'll bring it back soon. All right, it is the next day. Errands took me a little longer yesterday, so I finished it up tonight. You can see I got all the plywood down, cut and in place. Looking good here. Everything is leveled out to where I want it. You can see that threshold's in. It does slope down a little into the bathroom, but that's not bad. And here I've moved the threshold over here just so the little bit of wire pricking out of that concrete wouldn't catch anyone's foot. Next project will be to take that island off and get the rest of the floor leveled out so the entire floor can carry on through seamlessly. Or get that peninsula out, not island. You see I still have some drywall work to do there and over there and around the door. But I'll take care of that. And just to show that it is level, here's a true test because I haven't actually done this yet. Let's see. You can see that looks pretty good going across. There. Right in the middle. Go across this way. Dead on. Over here. Dead on. So I'm pretty good here. This floor is going to come out really good once I get it finished. So that's it. I'll see you in the next video.